2019 had been a horrifying year when all of us panicked due to the spread of the novel coronavirus, whose variations are still taking birth in the forms of Delta, Alpha, Gamma, and Beta. We realized that health is gold after the breakout, and how important it is to take care of our health and build a strong immunity. Throughout the pandemic, Hemani Herbal has made continuous efforts in developing and launching a series of herbal and natural solutions for you to help fight, recover, and prevent these infections. After introducing a range of germ defense and immune-strengthening products, Hemani Herbal opted for the strategy, one place has it all. For the first time in the country, a complete care named Safe and Protective Kit launched with all the helpful products which can possibly help you in both prevention and recovery from viral sicknesses. The kit contains the essentials which you would need to help avoid and recover from COVID or any other respiratory illness. It includes a nasal drop, a gargle oil, essential oil for steam inhalation, an herbal relief tea, an antibacterial sanitizer, and a face mask covering. Now, let's get into the details and end your curiosity about what each product is made of and how it helps you. 1. The first product is Immunazal. It is a nasal drop made from a blend of 100% natural essential oils of cajeput and olive. Here's how to use it. You have to add a drop of Immunazal oil into each nostril and inhale slowly. Use it twice a day to get rid of any breathing difficulty caused due to blocked and inflamed nasal passages. 2. The next essential you would need is Immungargle. It is a gargle oil made with 100% natural essential oils like clove, ginger, and wintergreen. To use it, add 2 to 3 drops of Immungargle oil in warm water and gargle for 10 to 15 seconds. Use it twice a day to be relieved from a bad and sore throat caused by viral infections. 3. The third product inside this amazing kit is Immunoil, which is an essential oil used for steam inhalation. It is made with 100% natural actives like eucalyptus, tea tree, and mint. To use, you have to add a few drops in hot water and inhale the steam. It will relieve your blocked nasal passages causing the flu. You will feel refreshed and relaxed instantly. 4. Here's another star product inside the Safe and Protective Kit, Immuntea. This supplementary herbal relief tea is specially created with a blend of soothing and healing herbs, which helps strengthen your immunity to control and prevent illness caused by viruses and bacteria. Immuntea contains significant herbs like artemisia, ginger, and licorice. It is a 7-day course that may help you prevent, recover, and heal from COVID-19 and its symptoms. Immuntea has helped you, us, and many more out there who believe in the tea's magical effectiveness. 5. What's a safe and protective kit without a sanitizer? Hemani's kit has an antibacterial hand sanitizer like aloe vera that kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria. Not to forget the refreshing scent a signature Hemani sanitizer has while keeping your hands soft. 6. To complete the kit, you get a protective face mask covering that will help keep you and others around you safe from catching the virus. All these products are packed in a sleek blue pouch, which makes it easy for you to carry the safety gear wherever you go. So, get your Safe and Protective Kit from Hemani, which may provide complete care against the viruses out there. Because together, we build a safe world. #Hemani Cares.